How to recover Steam account without email or password. So if you want to recover your Steam account without email or password, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your browser, or if you have the application, you can go with the application. So open up your application, or you can just simply go with Steam support. Once you're under Steam support, you need to click on the first option, which will take you to the Steam support website. And here you need to go with help, I can't sign in. Go with I forgot my Steam account name or password. And here you need to enter your email address. But if you don't remember your email address or phone number, just simply enter anything, just a random thing. And after that, click on I'm not a robot and then click on search. And it will give you two options. So you can simply go with email an account verification code. But if you don't remember your email or if you don't have access to your email, then you just need to simply go with I no longer have access to this email address. Go with the second option. And it will take you to the contact Steam support page. So on this page, you need to enter your current email address in which you would like to get the response, not the old one. So enter the email address to which you have the access to, and then scroll down and go with your username, enter your username of your Steam that you would like to recover, and then enter your first email that you've used while creating your account. Or if you can't remember the first, you can just give the earliest email that you remember. And after that, provide your phone number, and then anything else if you would like to issue about, then you can just simply enter here and go with I'm not a robot and then go with send. Once you've sent this, then Steam support will help you after a few seconds or after a few minutes. So that's how you can recover your Steam account without email or password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.